Namaskaram. Good morning, all of you. How are you, all of you? Hope you are fine, happy, healthy, and safe at your home. Today, we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this session, today, we will do some warm-up yogic abhyasa, some yogic asana practices, and special for kids animal walk and pranayama and the session. So let's come for today's session. First, we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. Sit any meditative posture. We sit in Saralasana. Normally fold your legs and both hands in Jnana Mudra. Back should be straight. Neck should be longer. Shoulder relaxed. Normalize your breathings. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhur Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms. Place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscle. Slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. So let's come for warm up yogic abhyasa. Stand up, everyone. Come to standing position. First, Tadasana. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, raise your both arms above the head, bicep touching to the ear. Interlock your fingers and stretch it out with inhalation. Lift your whole body on your toes, heels off the ground. Stretch up, hold. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale, stretch up, bicep touching to the ear. Stretch your whole body upward. Exhale down and release your both hands from side. Next, legs apart. Place both hands on your waist and exhale. Touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7. Exhale down. Inhale 8. Exhale down. Inhale 9. Exhale down. Inhale 10. Exhale down. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, bend your head to left side. Exhale, bend your head. Don't move your shoulders. Inhale, center. Exhale to right side. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, twist your head to left side. Look back from left shoulder. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale right. Look back from right shoulder. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale, come straight to the center. Stretch your both hands in front and clutch your finger. Clutch your finger with inhalation and release your finger with exhalation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Elbow movement. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Place both hands finger on your shoulder, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle. Bicep touching to the ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your both hands from side. Next, place both hands on your waist and go for hip rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side bending, legs together, feet together. Inhale, raise your left hand above the head, left bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to right side. Look up. Hold here for 5 seconds. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And same with the opposite hand. Raise your right hand above the head, right bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to left side. Look up. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Release. Next, backward bending and forward bending. Legs apart. 1 to 1.5. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. And inhale, raise your both arms above the head, bicep touching to the ear, fingers separate, and arch back. Exhale, Bend forward. Make a string with your hand just like this. And inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, make a string with your hands. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Next, Kati Chakrasana. Legs apart. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. Raise your both arms in line with your shoulder. And exhale. Twist to left side. Place your right hand on your left shoulder. Your left hand behind your back and twirl the waist. Look back from left shoulder. Just twist your Kati Pradesh, means your trunk. Exhale, twist to right side. Your right hand behind your back and twirl the waist. Your left hand on your right shoulder. Look back from right shoulder with exhalation. Inhale, come straight to the center. One more round. Exhale, twist to left side. Hold here. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to right side. Inhale, come straight to the center. Next, knee movement. Legs together, feet together. Bend your knees. Place both palms on your kneecap and go for knee rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Place both hands on your waist. Stretch your right leg in front and go for ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the opposite leg. Stretch your left leg in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Normalize your breathings. Take few normal breaths. Now we are fully warm up. So let's come for next yogic asana practices. First, yogic asana in standing position. Triyak Tadasana. Legs together, feet together. Come to Samastitihi. Legs apart. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. And inhale, raise your both arms above the head, bicep touching to the ear, and interlock your fingers. And stretch it out. And exhale, bend to left side with exhalation. Exhale, bend, slightly bend to left side. Just like. Hold here. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to right side. Just like. Inhale, center. One more round. Inhale. Exhale, bend to left side. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center. Slowly use your both hands from side. Next, standing asana, Trikona asana. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, jump, spread your leg. 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs. Inhale, raise your both arm in line with the shoulder and your left feet 90-degree outward and your right feet 45-degree in. And exhale, bend to left side with exhalation and touch your left leg big toe with your left hand fingertips and your right hand stretch up. Look at your right hand fingertips. Hold here for 5 seconds. Inhale, come back. Same with the opposite side. Your right feet 90-degree outward and your left feet 45-degree in. And exhale, bend to right side, slightly bend and touch your right leg big toe with your right hand's fingertips and your left hand stretch up. Look at your left hand fingertips. Hold here. Inhale, come back. Release. Sit on the mat. Come to Vajrasana. Come for next sitting yogic asana. First, butterfly reach. Place both palms. Left side. Come to Dandasana. First, half butterfly. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet upper part of left thigh and your heel closer to pelvic bone. Just like. And catch your kneecap with your hand, your toes with your hands. And inhale, lift up, touch your thigh to the chest. And exhale, put down, look back from left shoulder. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Release. Same with the opposite leg. Hold your left leg ankle and place your left leg feet closer to right feet, upper part of right feet. And your heel closer to pelvic bone. And catch your kneecap with your hand, catch your toes with your hands. And inhale, lift your left leg and touch your thigh to the chest with inhalation. And exhale, push down, look back from right shoulder. Inhale up, exhale down. 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 Release your legs. Toes together, feet together. And interlock your fingers and catch your toes with your hands. Just like. And go for butterfly. release. And go for next variation of butterfly series. Inhale, raise your both arms from side, bicep touching to the air, both palms facing forward. And exhale, bend forward and place both palms on the ground and slightly walk with your finger to forward. Slightly, one more exhalation and try to touch your forehead to the ground. And hold here for 10 seconds. Inhale, come back. Release the asana. Next, lay down on your stomach. Come to Vajrasana. First asana in prone position, Bhujanga series. First Sarpasana, place both palms closer to your chest, just like, and elbow closer to the chest. Inhale, lift your upper body from thoracic spine, just like, and both palms at the same time, both palms lift up and both palms facing forward and drop your neck back with inhalation. Hold here for 5 seconds. Exhale down. Inhale, one more round. Exhale down. Release and go for next Ardha Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your upper body from your navel region, just like, and shoulder roll back, drop your neck back with inhalation. Look up. Hold here for 5 seconds. Exhale down. And next, go for Purna Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your upper body from waist level and shoulder roll back, drop your neck back, and as much as you can, bend your knees and try to touch your back of the head to your toes. Exhale, release. And next, Triyak Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your upper body from your waist level, slide, elbow straight, and exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from left shoulder to your right hip. Inhale, center, exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from to your left hip. Inhale, center, exhale, release. And next yogic asana in supine position. Lay down on your back. First, take left turn, slide. Take left turn and lay down on your back. First, Yogic Asana in supine position. Uttan Padasana. Inhale, lift your right leg in 30 degree, knees locked, your toes flex forward and your kneecap locked, and hold here for 10 seconds. Exhale, down. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg in 30 degree. Flex your toes to forward and your kneecap locked. Hold here for 10 seconds. Exhale, release. Same with both legs. Inhale, lift your both leg in 30 degree and hold 10 seconds. Both knees cap locked and both toes flex forward. Slowly release. Next, Markat Asana. Both hands in line with the shoulder and inhale, lift your right leg up in 90 degrees and exhale, drop your right leg to left side just like, and catch your right leg big toe with your left hand finger just like, and stretch your right leg, look to right side, your kneecap locked and your head position to right side, twist your head to right side and look your right hand fingertips. Hold here for 5 seconds and release. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg in 90 degree and drop your left leg to right side and catch your big toe with your right hand and look opposite direction, twist your head to left side and look your left hand fingertips. And slowly release. Next, animal walk. First, sit on the mat, take left turn and sit on the mat. Today's animal walk, donkey kicks. So let's come for donkey kicks. First, stand on your knees and place both palm on the ground, come to tabletop position and tuck your toes on the ground and knees off the ground, just like half bend your knees and total body weight on your palm, fingers separate and inhale, bend your knees again and jump, kick up. Got it everyone? One more round. Inhale, jump, kick up. This is the demonstration of donkey kicks. So let's come for more rounds. Again, jump, kick out, 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 jump, kick out. Relax. Next, pranayama yogic abhyasa. Let's come for pranayama yogic abhyasa. Sit any meditative posture. We sit in Saralasana. Normally fold your legs just like and sit on Saralasana. Your back should be straight, neck should be longer. Relax your whole body. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. First, pranayama yogic abhyasa. Bhastrika pranayama. Spine should be straight. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 3 स्तरों में करेंगे। प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय मध्यम गति से, तृतीय से हम तीव्र गति से करेंगे। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। सरल गति का अभ्यास, सांस को पूरा भरना है आपके रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में और पूरा खाली करना है एक रिदमिक वे में। चलिए प्रारंभ करते हैं प्रथम सरल गति से। नेक्स्ट मध्यम गति से। Relax. नेक्स्ट, तीव्र गति से। तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व इस अभ्यास को कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें। हृदय संबंधी रोगी और उच्च रक्तचाप संबंधी यानी हाई ब्लड प्रेशर से संबंधित रोगी इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें। इसको सरल गति से ही अभ्यास कर सकते हैं, परंतु वह भी सावधानी पूर्वक। चलिए, कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। दोनों हाथों से आप सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं। दोनों हथेलियों से दोनों घुटनों को पकड़ लें इस प्रकार और प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास जो पूर्णतः स्वस्थ है। Relax. Normalize your breathings. अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। कपालभाति प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 30, 40 एंड 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में करेंगे। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। स्ट्रोक्स के माध्यम से आपको आपके स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और प्रयत्न करना है कि आपका अपर एब्डोमेन एंड लोअर एब्डोमेन आपके मेरुदंड के समीप जाए और निरंतर रेचक क्रिया का अभ्यास करना है। जब आप स्ट्रोक्स लेते हैं स्टमक के माध्यम से, जब आपका स्टमक अंदर की ओर जाता है, वह पुनः प्रारंभिक स्थिति में आता है तो एक पैसिव इनहेलेशन होता है। जिस पैसिव इनहेलेशन को आपको अगले रेचक क्रिया यानी एक अगले स्ट्रोक्स के माध्यम से बाहर की ओर धक्का देना है। इस प्रकार इसके फर्स्ट 30 स्ट्रोक करेंगे और दूसरे में हम इसके 40 और तीसरे में 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। चलिए, कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। प्रथम 30 स्ट्रोक्स। अगला 40 की स्ट्रोक। अगला 50 के स्ट्रोक्स। सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। अगला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का होगा। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें, दाएं हाथ की प्रणव मुद्रा बनाएं, राइट नोस्ट्रल को अंगूठे से बंद करें, इनहेल करें लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल से और लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल को बंद करें और एक्सहेल करें राइट नोस्ट्रल। पुनः राइट नोस्ट्रल से श्वास भरना है और लेफ्ट से छोड़ना है। इस प्रकार एक चक्र पूर्ण होता है अनुलोम विलोम का। इसी तरह से हमें 10 चक्रों का अभ्यास करना है। रिलैक्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य। अगला अभ्यास भ्रामरी उद्गीत प्राणायाम का होगा। दोनों हाथों की षटमुखी मुद्रा बनाएं, कानों के पटलों को दोनों अंगूठों से बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रोज के ऊपर, दूसरी आपके आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और आपकी लास्ट और पांचवी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के ऊपर। श्वास भरते हुए मौ का उच्चारण करना है। श्वास भरे और मौ का उच्चारण करें, भौरे के समान। दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं। आंखें बंद ही रखें, दोनों हाथों में ज्ञान मुद्रा, कमर गर्दन सीधी करें, ओंकार का प्रणोच्चारण, ओम का नाभि और कंठ से, कमर गर्दन सीधी। कुछ देर मौन ही रहें। ओंकार से उत्पन्न ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर्मन में आत्मसात करें। दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिलाएं और तेजी से रब करें।
हाथों में उत्पन्न ऊष्मा को आपके चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें, आंखों पर स्पर्श करें, पूरे तनावपूर्ण अंगों पर स्पर्श करें, हथेलियों को पुनः रब करें, चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें, हथेलियों को चेहरे के समक्ष रखते हुए आंखों को मधुर मुस्कान के साथ खोलें।
Namaskaram. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.